Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a gentle yoga flow designed to relieve stress. A lot of us tend to be stressed out most days and it feels like that stress is all in our minds. But the truth is we hold on to that stress in our bodies as well. By moving our bodies on our mats, we give ourselves a chance to release some of that stress as well as possibly even calm the mind. So if you're ready to relieve some stress, come flow with me. Meet me in standing at the top of your mat. Bring your palms to heart center. Allow your eyes to close and just breathe. Notice your breath. Notice if you're holding on to tension anywhere in your body. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw, and let it all go. One more time, breathe in, fill up your lungs. And as you exhale, release it all through your mouth. One more deep breath in, drop your jaw and side away. Blink your eyes open. Release your palms. Take a moment here just to shrug your shoulders all the way up to your ears. And as you exhale, release. Really shake everything out here. Shake out your legs and arms. Move in any way you need to. Come back to center. Inhale, send your arms up overhead. Exhale, fold forward. And take your feet hips width distance apart. Grab onto opposite forearms or opposite elbows and allow your head to just hang heavy here. You can sway side to side, maybe bend one knee and then the other, or maybe even keep both knees bent and find stillness. Allow your body to go wherever it needs to. Maybe you gently nod your head yes, nod your head no, releasing any tension in your neck. Maybe you even shift slightly forward and slightly back. Notice the feelings in the backs of your legs. This is your practice on your mat. Take it at your own pace. Follow your own breath. Take your body where it needs to go. And with each breath out, with each movement, allow a little bit of tension and stress to just release out of your body. On your next breath, release your palms to the ground. Inhale, gently rise all the way up. Bring your palms through heart center. And place your palms on your hips. Exhale, lunge the left leg back. Find your balance. Deep bend in the right knee. Finding your crescent lunge. Inhale your arms up. Engage your core here. Press back through the back heel. As you exhale, open twist to your right. Inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, bring your arms out into a T, and then cross your right arm underneath your left as you bind for eagle arms. And if this is not accessible to you, just grab onto opposite shoulders. Maybe move your elbows up and down. Allow that space to release. As you exhale, unravel your arms, frame the right foot, step forward. Inhale, rise all the way up. Bring your palms to your hips once more. Exhale, lunge the right leg back this time. We'll come into that high crescent lunge. find your balance, and then send your arms up overhead. Engage your core here. Exhale the right arm forward, left arm back, open twist to your left. Slow and steady. Inhale, come back to center. Take your arms out into a T. And this time cross your left arm underneath your right, finding your eagle arms or grabbing onto opposite shoulders. Again, take a moment to shift your arms and find the release that you need in this space. Exhale, unravel your arms, frame the left foot, step forward, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale the palms to heart center. Palms come to your hips once more. As you exhale, step the left leg back, turning towards the long edge of your mat. Take your legs wide, point your toes slightly in towards each other, heels slightly out. Bring your palms to your hips. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, hinge at the hips. As you fold forward for your wide leg forward fold. A few options with your arms here. You can grab onto opposite forearms or elbows. You can place your palms on the ground. You can grab onto your legs or shins. Whatever feels good in your body. Take a moment just to press through the outer edges of your feet to find more balance. Shift your hips slightly forward to be in line with your ankles and knees. And again, allow your upper body to just surrender and release to gravity. On your next inhale, lift up halfway. Place your right palm in the center of your mat, right in front of your face. Inhale the left palm high, finding a twist here. In this space, keep both legs engaged and strong. Allow that left hip to sink down in line with the right. Exhale the left palm down, replacing your right. Inhale the right arm up. Finding a twist here. Exhale the right palm down and begin to heel toe your feet slightly closer together. Point your toes out towards the corners of your mat. Sink your hips low as you exhale. Coming into your Yogi squat, Malasana. Take your time shifting, finding the space that works for you. There's no right or wrong here. As you come into your Yogi squat, use your elbows and knees pressing against each other to create lift and length in your spine. You can stay here if you'd like, or we can find another open twist. Place your right palm down in front of your right shin. Inhale the left arm up. You can even take that left arm behind your back or even find a bind if that's in your practice. Exhale, come back to center. Placing the left palm in front of the left shin, inhale the right arm high. Again, take any variation that works for you. Inhale, come back to center. Gently place your hips down, coming into a seat. Take any seat that's comfortable for you. Take a moment to shift your hips side to side. Find your sit bones firmly on the mat. Again, lengthen through the spine. And take a moment just to breathe here. Again, take a deep breath in. Drop your jaw. Release it all out. Allowing your body here to release any stress that it's been holding on to. Inhale, blink your eyes open. Place your right palm next to your right hip. Inhale as you send your left fingertips over to the right side, finding a side stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, the left palm down. Inhale, right side stretches over as you lean over to your left. Inhale, come back to center. Take a turn towards the front of your mat, feet flat on the mat, knees bent. And then gently lay all the way back and down. Hug your knees into your chest, rocking side to side or forward and back. Take your arms by your sides or out into a T here. Inhale, straighten out your legs, sending your feet towards the ceiling. Maybe even take some ankle circles here. You can stay here if you'd like, or you can shift into your plow pose. Take a moment to lift your hips and send your feet up and over behind your head, finding support, placing your palms on your back. Go as far as you need to. And when you're ready, gently lower your spine one vertebrae at a time, bringing your feet back down. This time, place your feet as wide as your mat. And then gently take windshield wipers, lowering your knees over to the right, coming back through center, lowering your knees over to the left. Take a couple rounds following your own breath. Now, if you have an empty wall nearby, we'll be taking legs up the wall next. If you don't, you can just take a traditional Shavasana on your mat as well. Take a seat next to the wall, and then send your legs up the wall as you lay your back onto the ground. You can take your arms out into a T here. Take a moment to shift your hips as close to the wall as feels right for you. Allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw, and side away. You can stay here as long as you'd like. You can shift your legs, maybe into a butterfly position, or you can take your legs wide, whatever feels good in your body. And whenever you're ready to come out, wiggle your fingers and toes. Bend your knees as you slide your feet down. Roll over onto your left side. And then press yourself up into a seat. I hope you're feeling more calm and relaxed. If you enjoyed that flow, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It always means a lot to me if you take a second to share this video with those you care about or on social media. If you share it on social media, tag me at Flow with Shreya. This way more people can find this video. As always, the clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. If you want to flow a little bit more, check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.